I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove an unknown device from your Venmo account on an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Me in the menu along the bottom of this screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the Security section and then click Remembered Devices in this section. The next screen shows you all of the devices associated with your Venmo account where you don't have to submit a code to access your account on these devices. Step 4. Find the device you want to remove from being associated with your Venmo account and then click the edit icon associated with that device. A window pops up asking if you want to remove this device. Step 5. Tap Remove Device. That specific device will be removed and no longer associated with your Venmo account. Repeat this process for any other devices you want to remove. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.